3 interstellar visitors, 3 incredible stories. The latest 3I-ATLAS is hurtling through our solar system, and astronomers are scrambling to keep up. Where is it right now? How far away is it? How bright? And most importantly, when can you catch a glimpse of it? In this video, we're going to follow its trail with live coordinate updates, explore its orbital path, and get you some real observing tips. Stick with me. Before we dive straight into the coordinates, let's talk about why this matters. 31-ATLAS is only the third confirmed interstellar object we've ever found that is what the 3I stands for. It's traveling on what's called a hyperbolic orbit, which means it's not gravitationally bound to our sun. It's just passing through on its way back out into deep space. Because of that, every single observation we can get is precious. Knowing its exact location right now is absolutely critical for professional telescopes, amateur observers, and science teams all around the globe. This is our one shot to study it. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Here's where 3I Atlas is right at this moment. Let me walk you through these numbers and what they actually mean. Its current sky address is right ascension 14 hours, 32 minutes, 24 seconds, and declination minus 11 degrees, 21 minutes, 38 seconds. Right now, it's about 375 million kilometers away, which is roughly 2.5 astronomical units, or to put that in perspective, light takes about 20 minutes to travel from the comet to us. Its apparent magnitude is hovering around 11.9, which means it's pretty faint. You'll need at least a medium-sized telescope to spot it. It's currently cruising through the constellation Libra, moving against the background stars at a pretty good clip, about 48 arc minutes per day. That's fast enough that you can see it shift its position over just a few hours of observation. To really understand where it is now, we need to look at the bigger picture, where it has been and where it is going. Imagine a giant cosmic slingshot. 3I-ATLAS is on a huge, sweeping curve through our solar system. It will reach perihelion, its closest point to the Sun, around October 29th or 30th, 2025, at a distance of about 1 point for astronomical units. And don't worry, there's absolutely no risk of a collision. Its closest approach to Earth will be in December 2025, and even then, it will still be a very safe 1.8 astronomical units away. After it swings by the Sun, it'll begin its long journey back out, gradually fading from view as it leaves our solar system for good on that hyperbolic escape path. But the coordinates aren't the only thing changing. As 3I-ATLAS gets closer to the Sun, it's starting to get active. The solar heating is causing its coma, tail, and brightness to evolve day by day. It's really starting to wake up. Recent observations from the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed a fascinating detail. Its coma is dominated by carbon dioxide gas, with one of the highest CO2 water ratios ever seen in a comet. We've also detected signs of water ice sublimating into gas from far out as 3.5 astronomical units from the Sun. There is even evidence from old data that it might have been active when it was over 6 away. All this means the comet is constantly adding more gas and dust to its atmosphere, which changes its appearance and brightness over time. It's a dynamic, living object, so with all this information, when and where can you actually see it? Let's talk about the best observation windows. The key thing to remember is that as the comet gets closer to the Sun in late 2025, its elongation, the angle between it and the Sun in our sky, will shrink. This makes it much harder to see because it gets lost in the Sun's glare. In fact, between roughly October and early November 2025, it might even pass behind the Sun from our perspective. The best times to look will be just before and after that period, in the early evening or pre-dawn sky. Your best bet is to use an interactive sky tool like the SkyLive or in the-sky.org and input your exact location. You lines want to look for times when it is high above the horizon, at least 20 degrees up and when the moon isn't washing out the sky. So what's next? Looking ahead, We know its closest approach to Earth is on December 19th, 2025. After it whips around the sun and starts heading out, it will quickly get fainter, so our observation windows will start to narrow. During the period when it's behind the sun from our viewpoint, space telescopes will have a front row seat, giving us data we can't get from the ground. Its outbound journey will take it into different parts of the sky, and our ability to see it will depend entirely on that future geometry. The hunt is far from over. Want to try tracking it yourself? It's easier than you think. You can go to a website like The Skylive, which has a dedicated page for 3i Atlas. It gives you all the live data you need. Then you can use free planetarium software like Stellarium, plug in the right ascension and declination, and it will show you exactly where the comet is in your local night sky. This is precisely how you figure out when and where to point your telescope or camera for that perfect shot. But before you head out, a quick reality check. This isn't a perfect science. Tracking comets comes with challenges. For one, the fuzzy coma of gas and dust can obscure the true nucleus, so the brightest spot we see might not be the exact center. Also, while our orbital predictions are good, new observations can slightly adjust the comet's expected position. And the biggest wildcard is brightness. Comet activity can be unpredictable, causing sudden flare-ups or dimming that no one saw coming. Not to mention the usual culprits, bad weather, city lights, and the moon getting in the way. If you enjoy a good live sky challenge, here's something for you. On the next clear, dark night, open up your favorite sky map app or the Skylive, put in your location, and find where 3i Atlas is hiding. If you have a camera and a tracking mount, try taking some long exposures and stacking them to see if you can capture it. If you get an image, tag me. I'd love to feature viewer photos in a future update. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I'll be following this amazing journey month by month, right through perihelion and beyond, with all the latest science and brightness surprises. 3.1 Atlas might be a fleeting visitor, but thanks to modern sky surveys, real-time trackers, and a global community of astronomers, we can follow its path with incredible precision. Right now, it's in the constellation Libra, about 2.5 astronomical units away, with a magnitude of 11.9, and its activity is only just beginning to ramp up. The real show is yet to come. Thanks for joining me on this live sky chase. Clear skies, and I'll see you under the stars.